Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go, 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 go. And go, go. 11. There you go. Sunday, Monday, and the and
Why you got your fingers in your ears?
Huh?
Why do you have your fingers in your ears?
Because I can sing.
It makes you sing loud?
Yeah. Go, go, ga, ga, go, ga, 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 go, go, ga.
Diddly-lee,
Stop. That's not the song about.
diddly-lee.
That's not the song about.
There might be a song that goes tweet, tweet, tweedly, rockin' robin. Tweet, tweedly, rockin' robin.
What's that song about?
Rockin' robin. Tweet, tweedly.
What's that song about?
Birdies in the treetops all day long.
What's that song about?
Birds singing.
And it won her.
Yeah. Rockin' robin. Tweet, tweedly.
What's that won her?
Robin Hood. Is everything about Robin Hood?
Yep. Keep you going, 'cause you can get me.
Yummy.
You for Bennett? No.
Yeah.
Don't say no. Don't say oh yeah.
What did you say?
I want a parrot.
You want what?
I want a parrot.
A parrot? A bird?
A parrot.
A parrot?
A parrot on my shoulder.
You want a parrot on your shoulder?
Yep.
I don't have a parrot. I'm sorry.
Why?
I mean, they just don't come around that often. We can make a pretend one.
Why? Where is it?
It's on your shoulder.
No. No.
You don't want to pretend?
No.
Okay.
I got him off.
You got him off? Did he fly away?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
To his home. To his home.
Where's his home?
Way far away.
Way far away.
And the big ball players in there. In the woods.
In the woods.
Yep.
Why don't you call him back to come and land on your shoulder again?
No.
Okay.
I'm done. Yeah. I am a breakfast.
You didn't eat it all. There's supposed to be a lot there.
I don't